Clean visuals come from simplicity, spacing, and precise framing decisions. Today, how to design clean visuals. Open Canva and start with a blank square canvas. Insert a single rectangular frame and center it perfectly using position tools. Upload your image and drag it inside, adjusting it for a balanced composition. Duplicate the frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a subtle border effect. Select the background and keep it plain white or very light gray. Add a small text element below using a modern font with increased spacing. Align everything carefully and avoid clutter. This clean visual